The misunderstanding of the concept of idlozi is very dangerous to your spiritual hygiene and your spiritual health. Wena uhamba uthuka idlozi lakini ubiza amadimoni, ukuthi kini bekwabantu bamadlozi bekungasabantu besonto. Idlozi ukuthi likubonise ukuthi this group of people obathembile bona abanandaba nabo bakuchithe, because you're not thankful for izipho abakunika zona and the luck, bawuchithe umsebenzi wakho, badalele inkinga efana nesichitho. Isichitho sedlozi is more auric. It'll never ikyenze ukuthi unuke, uphume induna, have any physical impawu. It'll be them abayidalayo. Bayidalela ini? Firstly, you might not be answering your calling. Secondly, you might be umuntu onenhlamba towards idlozi, uloku ubiza idemon